I should be able to eat. I can eat this.
People snack on this thing.
Open your mouth. What's up, everybody?
Hi.
So we went to an Asian market and we got some interesting stuff for.
What was the market called?
We're at Uwajamaya.
So we're just not very cultured. We realized we're just dumb Americans.
We're not experienced in exotic Asian fare.
So this is us getting to know the food.
Blindfold taste test Asian food market food. Here we go.
By the way, go Green Bay.
Yeah.
So who's going first?
You are,
Wait,
obviously.
rock, paper, scissors. 1 out of 1. It's 1, 2, 3, shoot.
Okay.
All right? 1 out of 1.
All
Ready?
right.
1,
Rock, paper,
2, 3. What?
What? What
Okay.
are you?
All right. You're
Okay.
right. Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh,
Yeah!
oh no.
All right, close your eyes.
Okay.
All right, goodbye.
Okay.
First things first. Oh God, I'm so scared for you. We got some of this guy. This guy, this buddy.
God.
Can you see?
No, I can't. I'm closing my eyes.
All right. Well, you know it's crunchy.
It's all right. I can already smell it. It smells fishy. Oh, God damn it.
Oh. Actually,
It smells good.
not what I thought.
Really?
Open your mouth.
Okay, hold on. Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
open a wider.
Oh God. Oh my God. Okay.
Oh.
All right.
Whoa.
All right.
What is it? What does it taste like?
Tastes like noodles.
Okay, no, it's not
Or
noodles.
like a dried bug.
No,
It's not noodles? Oh, you're eating it.
I'm trying it.
Oh, okay. Well, so it can't be that bad.
I thought it'd be way worse.
Oh, no, it's not that bad.
Is this like,
It tastes like like dry noodles.
this is really like better than I thought it was gonna be.
No, just there's no flavor.
I'm totally disappointed.
At first, I was like, "Oh no, that's a grasshopper." That's just like noodles to me. That's what it tastes like, or grass, or something like dry grass.
You're closer.
Oh, am I? Hey, is it alfalfa?
No,
I've eaten alfalfa.
have you?
I'm a farm boy, baby.
Aw, he's so cute.
Oh, black fungus. It's fungus.
I thought that would be way stinkier.
Interesting.
It wasn't. It wasn't as stinky as I wanted it to be.
Black fungus. Not that bad.
Did I mention I hate fishy things?
So.
Fish face.
So this is easy round. This is round 1. So actually this is pretty like you know, pretty standard. It's good stuff. I'll eat this. You know, it's good. But am I surprised her? I don't know. Let's give it a try. Hold on. Let's see what it is. I think it's delicious.
Oh God. Oh God. You're lying.
No, I'm not.
You're lying.
I'm not lying. This is the easy stuff. I'm serious. Okay, open your mouth. All right, I'm just gonna pop them in. Ready?
Them?
Open your mouth.
Oh God.
Open your mouth. Open.
Wasabi peas.
Wasabi beans.
I love these.
I do too. I love wasabi beans.
Give me more.
I know. See, we're not that uncultured. There you go.
You're so vanilla.
Jam it in there. These are good. Okay. A+ on the wasabi peas. Okay, wasabi peas are staying.
You just got these because you wanted them.
I'm gonna get a bowl for these because they're good.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
It was a nice gesture on my part. Okay, my turn.
Let's try this again.
Okay.
I don't know what this is,
Okay.
to be honest.
Okay. This one's a little bit worse, or a little bit more
I'm not telling
adventurous.
you anything.
You're not gonna tell me anything? You're not gonna no?
No, it's too nice. Open your mouth. Open your mouth.
Okay.
Open your mouth.
Oh.
Ooh, get in there.
That's not bad.
This is a treat.
Oh yeah. I like it. It's coconut.
This was a nice one.
Yeah, what is it?
What is it?
Well, it's quite good though. It's like milky coconut.
Oh, okay.
For sure
Well-
coconut,
Yeah.
but it's like it's some kind of gelatinous goo. I like it. I'm in. I could
I
eat
think
that.
it was from the dessert aisle.
Oh yeah.
I think it's like rice.
Oh no, that's good. I could eat those.
Oh yeah, that's good.
That's quite good, huh?
Look at that.
That's good. It's called, and I'm butchering this, I'm sure, palatine. Palatine.
Oh, I like this.
It's really good. I could eat those. So far, we're good. The fungus, not so. I don't think you're supposed to eat it raw.
Maybe we just cook it tomorrow.
You're probably supposed to cook it. We'll cook the fungus tomorrow. Okay, you're up.
But
Wait, I gotta decide which one I'm doing.
all right, wait. Is this a bad one?
No? I'll let you know, because I'm nice. You're out of frame. Alright.
Just remember what your old pal
I think-
said.
I think this is a good one. She's gonna like it. Open up. Tell me. Oh, it's pretty good.
Okay.
I like it. It's quite good. We're into it. Yeah. She gave me a dessert, so I gave her a dessert.
Baby, I like this.
I like it too. It's good. We're gonna buy more of this.
All right, let me guess.
Well, okay.
It is.
I'll tell you what's in it.
No, because that's gonna give it away.
No, you tell me, and then I'll tell you if you're right.
Okay, first
makes sense.
flavor vanilla,
No. No, yeah, this makes sense.
coconut. No, it's something. It's sweet. It's delicious. It's gooey. It's like thick pudding. Bean curd.
Bean. Yeah. It's a
That
red
bitch.
bean
I know.
dessert.
son.
It's a red
I
bean
almost
dessert.
got you red bean stuff.
I've had red bean desserts and they're good. You know, it's just
Love it.
a toss up or it's a serve.
Love it.
I like it. Okay.
Wow, it's in a square.
It's a pastry dish. Plus we have these. These are really good too. Okay. I guess it's my turn.
This has been way too easy.
Yeah, it's been easy. Oh, I feel like it's definitely getting harder. Oh no, honey.
I'm worried for you.
I'll get you back.
Goodness. I honestly don't know how to open this package.
There's a knife here.
All right.
Let the blind man hand you a knife.
Cool. Just promise to love me no matter what.
Oh, is it that bad?
No.
No?
Nah. Not yet. At least, but I'm
Shit.
preemptively making sure.
So this one's like,
I just don't know what to expect with this one.
All right.
It's unexpected. Okay, are you ready?
yeah.
I don't think you're gonna hate this.
Okay.
I don't think you are.
Oh god. It's definitely, oh,
I don't think you're gonna hate it.
fermented.
It's
It's like pickled.
yeah, fuck it. I told you.
I mean, it's like you're swinging from sweet to this,
Yeah. Want
but
some? Yeah.
no.
You like it?
I think it's fermented cabbage
Ooh,
or
close.
something close. Like
It's not a cabbage. It starts with an R.
Oh, radish?
Oh, you're so smart.
It's good. No, I don't mind it. I don't mind it at all. So it's a pickled radish.
Yeah.
It's a pickled radish.
Pickled radish, baby. You got it.
I'm into it. Okay, pickled radish. Oh, whoa, it looks weird.
It looks like a wiener. It looks like a long wiener.
It looks like a long, like if Donald Trump had a big which we know he doesn't.
Tiny hands.
Yeah, this would be what it would look like. It's good though. Moving on.
This is the bad one then. Oh! Ah!
Hey, it's not that bad.
You said there's a bad one.
Oh, well, there is.
This isn't the bad one?
No, this is not the bad one.
Sensory deprivation is a funky thing.
Okay.
Ha! Baby, I'm scared all of a sudden. I don't want to.
Okay. All right.
Doesn't it have a tail?
What?
Doesn't it have a tail?
You can't ask these questions. Okay, open up.
It has a tail.
Ready? Open.
Where's the vomit bag?
Open your mouth. What are you doing? Open your mouth.
Oh, it's fish jerky. It's body jerky of fish.
That's pretty good.
No. Oh, no. I hate it. I can't believe that just went in my mouth.
I like it.
Are you serious?
Mm-hmm.
He's disgusting.
Try some.
No.
I don't see what the big deal is. It's pretty good.
Ah. Ah. Mm-mm.
Squid jerky.
Squid jerky?
That's what it looks like to me.
Oh, baby, you're nasty. I knew it was going to be jerky of some kind of fish.
I could do it. I could.
I can't. You
So,
like it.
So far, so good. I could eat some.
Oh! You're so gross.
I could eat a little of this.
A little bean paste and a little squid jerky.
A little squid jerky.
So good. Breakfast with
Yeah.
champs.
I mean, I kind of feel like, somewhat a fish in an aquarium.
Stop
but-
it, baby. Ugh.
Pretty
Okay,
good.
no, I shouldn't say that. That made me want a legit bomb.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh. That wasn't the bad one?
Okay.
Oh, I feel bad for this one.
But I got a bad one.
How bad?
Oh, no. Is it really that bad?
It's bad for me. Like,
Well.
for me, this is like a nightmare. An
Okay.
actual living nightmare.
Oh, God. It's like crickets or... Did I just
No,
catch it?
it might not be. It just is suitable for you. Oh, it's stinky.
Okay. And this is suitable for eating?
I don't like to do
I
this to
I
you.
should be able to eat. I can eat this.
People snack on this, baby. It's very... It's a normal thing.
What if we have the same one?
Then we love each other the most. Open. 1, 2.
No, hold on.
1.
Hold on.
1.
Hold on.
1, 2. 1, 2, 3, baby, go. Oh. Oh. Are you eating it?
Yeah.
Do you want to spit it out? You can.
No, I'm gonna eat it. I think we got the same thing.
Shut the up, really?
Maybe.
No. No. Seriously? Are you chewing it? Are you gonna swallow? I'm sorry, I love you. I'm sorry. That was gross.
It's okay.
These need to go in the garbage.
Can I see what it is?
Yeah. Oh, baby, I can't believe you ate it.
We got the same thing.
I'm not eating it.
You are eating it. You're eating it.
We got the same thing?
Yeah.
Does that mean we're in love forever?
Hold on.
Wait, does that mean we're in love forever? That means we're in love forever. We got each other the worst things.
Open up. Open up.
Ah!
Oh. Eat it. Eat it.
It's stinky. I don't like it. Ah!
No.
Ah! Oh!
It's not that bad.
It tastes like ass. Crab ass. Ah! 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 Oh my god, my nightmare was to get that, and I can't believe we both selected.
Well, obviously, we're both gonna get the teeny tiny little crabs.
Ah!
So, as you can see, it's a teeny tiny little crab.
A whole body crab.
It has all of the parts, except for legs, I guess.
Ah!
Wait, but it does
Some
have.
of them have legs and claws. They're in
It's
there.
got little legs.
Please come. Baby, I can't. Are you eating more?
It's not that bad.
It's literally the worst thing I've ever tasted.
I think it's in your head.
It's the worst thing I've ever tasted. I don't like it.
It's interesting.
Proud of you.
I guess, Asia, here I come. We did it. We ate each other's Asian foods. And we feel more cultured. And we feel full of food.
I don't. I feel afeared
Weird.
of this.
Well, we did it. Thanks for watching. Make sure and subscribe, I guess.
We love you. I love him.
I love her. Bye.
Bye.